Ken from Alliance Manufacturing with a sweet message, SUITE, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I would like to show you a machine currently in production on our floor, a rotary indexing system. This machine, we have it split in two parts right now. You've got the lower section in the back, the top section in the front. This is the front area where parts are loaded onto the rotary table. It has a light curtain for operator safety. This can be manually or robotically loaded. This top section will be placed onto the lower portion of the machine where the indexing table sits. This machine has a wash and rinse pumps, so we can do wash, rinse, and blow off with this machine. The rotary index table, you might think like this is an episode of Wheel of Fortune. This does rotate and it will be servo driven. Very high capacity, very tight tolerance. So this machine is for a customer cleaning components for small engines. Just one of the many great things here going on at Alliance. Appreciate you watching and have a sweet day.